Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this super cute two-piece denim set. Okay, so you'll need a long denim jacket. You need a pair of jeans that are the same color as your jacket, a bodycon skirt. You'll need a pair of scissors. You'll need an elastic band, some tailor's chalk, a sewing machine, and you will also need some clothing pins. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is lay your jacket down flat, and then you want to get your skirt and kind of just match it up to the jacket so that you can get an idea of the size that you want your actual skirt to be. And then you're going to take your chalk and just mark it along where you're going to cut the jacket in half. Just as a quick note here, it will be a lot easier to cut the jacket if you go ahead and button it back up. I forgot to do that, but just as a quick tip, it would be easier. Okay, so after cutting the jacket in half, I went ahead and cut the bottom portion in half as well. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and place those on top of each other with the insides facing outward, so I can go ahead and begin to pin it together to prepare it for sewing. So here I'm just taking the pins and pinning the two pieces together. I'm going to leave a little excess off to the side, a little less than an inch, so that I have room to sew. I got this small handheld sewing machine from Michael's. I thought it would be really good to use on small projects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and begin sewing the two pieces together on the first side. So now I'm going to prepare the top portion of the skirt. I'm just going to fold over just about an inch of fabric and pin it down so that I can sew it. This is the part where the elastic is going to go inside, so I want to make sure I leave enough room to be able to slide it in there. Then I'm going to take the sewing machine and just begin to sew the top portion of the skirt. To get the elastic inside the skirt, I'm just going to take a safety pin and hook it onto the elastic and slide it through the opening on the top. And what that does is help guide the elastic through, because it is very stretchy, so it will start to pull back on you. So you just want to take a safety pin and just guide it through the fabric until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you just want to cut the excess elastic off and go ahead and sew the skirt together. And in the end, your skirt should look like this. I chose to stop right here, but you can cut the waistline off of the jeans I mentioned earlier and sew it to the bottom of the jacket to add a little more flair, but I thought it looked nice just the way it was. And this is how I styled it. Just took it off the shoulder to add my own little personal touch to it. I'm so happy with the way that it came out, and I hope you guys like it too. See you in the next video. Bye.